Philly cheesesteak recipe. Ingredients: 1 lb. 1 rib eye or top sirloin, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons. 2 vegetable oil. 3 1 large onion, thinly sliced. 4 1 large green bell pepper, thinly sliced. 5 salt and pepper. 6 4 hoagie rolls. 7 8 slices of provolone cheese. Instructions: prep the meat. Before cooking, make sure to slice your meat thinly against the grain. If you're using a rib eye or top sirloin, remove any excess fat from the steak before slicing. Season the meat generously with salt and pepper. Cook the vegetables. Heat up the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and green peppers. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the vegetables are softened and slightly caramelized. Cook the meat. In the same skillet, add the thinly sliced steak. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the steak is browned on one side. Flip the steak over and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the meat is cooked through. Do not overcook the meat, as it will become tough and chewy. Combine the meat and vegetables. Once the steak is cooked, add the cooked onions and peppers back into the skillet with the meat. Stir everything together and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until everything is heated through. Prepare the rolls. Cut the hoagie rolls in half lengthwise and toast them in a toaster oven or on a grill until they are slightly crispy. Place 2 slices of provolone cheese on one side of each roll. Assemble the sandwich. Using a spatula, scoop the meat and vegetable mixture onto the rolls, on top of the melted cheese. Fold the sandwich together and serve immediately. Philly cheesesteak seasoning recipe. While salt and pepper are all you really need to season your Philly cheesesteak, some people like to add a bit more flavor to their meat. Here is a simple seasoning blend that you can use to spice up your steak. 1 teaspoon. 1 garlic powder. 2 1 teaspoon. 2 onion powder. 3 1 teaspoon. 3 paprika. 4 half a teaspoon. 4 black pepper. 5 half a teaspoon. 5 salt. Mix all of the ingredients together in a small bowl. Sprinkle the seasoning over the sliced meat before cooking. Do's and don'ts of making a Philly cheesesteak. 1 do use a tender cut of beef. 1 ribeye or top sirloin are great options. 2 do slice the meat thinly against the grain for tenderness. 3 do use a soft hoagie roll for your sandwich. 4 do use Cheese Whiz or provolone cheese for your melted cheese topping. 5 do cook the vegetables and meat separately before combining them. 6 do toast the hoagie roll before assembling the sandwich. 7 don't overcook the meat. 7 it will become tough and chewy. 8 don't use too much cheese or it will overpower the flavor of the meat.